Okay, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be looking at some options within the query. So in a previous video, I dealt with creating a query. This is the same one that we dealt with, our query test 1. You can see here that we have the fields, the table, sorting, show, and criteria. So these field names, these are the field names that we have that come from the CD table that we based this off of at the beginning. Then they just mentioned the table name again, and then we can sort items. So let me just, okay, please remember when you leave, you must use the run feature. Okay, so here we have the artist names. You can see they are not in alphabetical order. So if I go to design view and I go and sort and I say ascending, remember, this is for the field artist. It is not for the other fields. You'll see what's going to happen. And please, when you want to save anything here, you have to use the run option. So we make the changes to our query and then we say run the query. And there you can see it has been organized. It has been sorted from numbers and then A down through to Z. All right, let's go back into design view. We've done that there. Now this button that says, this checkbox that says show, if I take these two items out and I run my query, look at what happens. I've now only got two columns that show, which is artist and genre. So if we go back to the design view, have a look here, artist ticked and genre. In other words, they are still part of this query, but they must not display. Okay, so it's not that you are deleting them, but these are the only two out of the 4 that you want to display in your query. So you can see if we put it back and we run it, all 4 are there. Okay, let's do something else. Let's go into the design view and let's go to criteria. So let's put in a criteria for one of these. Let's go and have a look here, and I'm going to go with a wrap. Okay, so I'm going to use that as my criteria. So now we've got artist that's sorted to ascending, nothing much under CD name or replacement value, but in the criteria section of genre, I'm going to type in wrap. In other words, I only want the artists in ascending order, their CD name and replacement value for the genre wrap. You'll see when I go run, it only brings up the genre of wrap. And the artist names that are associated with that are all in alphabetical order. Okay, so those are just a few things that we look at when it comes to our design view. All right, hope that helps.